Hi friends, today we are going to do a question of mechanics question. It is full of kinematics formula. How to use this formula in this equation? What are the kinematics formula? A particle is moving in a straight line with a constant acceleration. A particle passes a point with speed 1.2 meter per second. 4 seconds later, the particle has speed 7.6 meter per second. Find the acceleration of the particle. Here, how to start? The acceleration. What is mean by acceleration? The speed, velocity is rate of change of velocity, rate of change of velocity, rate of change of velocity, rate of change in velocity. What is the difference between velocity and speed? Velocity is the particle move in a particular direction, but the speed, the particle can move any direction. So this velocity is a vector quantity. It will be moved in a particular direction. The acceleration is also a vector quantity. It is rate of change of velocity. Each 1 second, next second, third second, the velocity will be increased. Speed will increase. That is called the acceleration. The rate of change of velocity is the acceleration. We are finding the acceleration. Here, for example, a particle is moving in a straight line. Suppose a particle is started to move at a point A, the particle will end at the point B. We are monitoring a particle at the point P. We are monitoring at the a particle at the point P. The particle is moving this direction. We are monitoring a particle at the point P. This point is the initial velocity. Already the particle is moving. Where we are monitoring this point is this velocity of this point is the initial velocity. Then when after 4 seconds, there is a duration of the time limit. After 4 seconds, the particle will reach at the point Q. Again the particle will move after the 4 seconds also, but we are monitoring at the point Q after 4 seconds. The velocity of this point is the final velocity. So initial velocity and final velocity, where we are monitoring at the points between 4 seconds. So here, what is the initial velocity? What is the final velocity? Here mainly in the kinematics formula, SUVAT, SUVAT is the short form of using the formula. How to select? Some formulas we have. V equal to U plus AT is one of the formula. V square equal to U square plus 2AS is the second one. S equal to U plus V divided by 2 times T is the third one, and S equal to UT plus half AT square, this is the fourth one. Then S equal to UT plus VT minus half AT square. If we know the final velocity, we can use this. These are the 5 kinematics formula. Mainly we are using these 5 kinematics formula. Which is the possible one here? Here S is the displacement, distance, how much distance is travelled the particle, which is not given, so no need. U is always denoted by the initial velocity. The particle is at the point of P. The initial velocity is given in the question 1.2 meter per second. The final velocity of the particle is given in the question 7.6 meter per second. So final velocity is 7.6 meter per second. Acceleration we have to find. Time is there is 4 seconds. Here the datas are given. u is given, v is given, t is given. We have to find a. So connect these four terms in the formula. Choose a suitable formula by connecting these four terms. Here, first formula is v is there, u is there, a is there, t is there. Choose the suitable. This first formula is the suitable for our question. So v equal to, our suitable formula is v equal to u plus at. Substitute the value 7.6 equal to 1.2 plus, we don't know the value of a, times 4, t is 4. Then 4a equal to 7.6 minus 1.2, a equal to 6.4 divided by 4, a equal to 1.6 meter per second square. The unit of acceleration is meter per second square. Thank you.